Ever wondered what the world's most unique tacos taste like? Picture yourself embarking on a culinary journey, a quest for the extraordinary, a journey that takes us deep into the world of tacos. Now, when we say tacos, we're not just talking about your traditional Mexican fare. Oh no, we're venturing beyond, exploring a world where tacos are as diverse as the cultures they originate from. Imagine biting into a taco bursting with flavors you've never experienced before. Think of the different ingredients that could be hidden within that soft shell. From the classic corn and flour tortillas to the more daring ones infused with flavors like beetroot or spinach. Picture those ingredients cooked in a myriad of ways, each method lending its own unique touch to the taste. The world of tacos is a vast landscape of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques that all come together to create a unique experience. Dive into this flavorful journey and discover the world's most unique tacos. Embarking on the exciting journey of tasting the world's most unique tacos, we start with a bold fusion of worlds. Imagine a taco that marries the fiery zest of Korean BBQ with the traditional warmth of Mexican cuisine. Picture tender grilled meat, marinated in a blend of sweet and spicy Korean sauces. Now, add a layer of tangy kimchi, delivering that signature kick. To wrap it all up, a drizzle of spicy sriracha sauce adds an extra punch of flavor. Next, we venture into the realm of vegan-friendly delights. Here we have a taco that's reinventing the game entirely. Center stage is jackfruit, a popular meat substitute, brilliantly mimicking the texture of pulled pork. It's drenched in a smoky barbecue sauce, offering a tantalizing mix of sweet, tangy, and smoky notes. A bite into this taco is a revelation, proving that vegan options can be just as exciting and full of flavor. For our grand finale, we introduce a dessert taco that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Filled with sweet, creamy dulce de leche, this taco offers a taste of indulgence. It's then sprinkled with cinnamon sugar, adding a touch of spice to balance the sweetness. It's a delightful twist on the traditional taco, reminding us that there's always room for dessert. Each bite takes you on a global journey, from the spicy streets of Korea to the sweet comforts of a Mexican dessert. It's time to look back at the exciting and flavorful journey of tasting the world's most unique tacos. We've relished a spectrum of flavors, from the smoky barbacoa to the zesty fish taco, each a testament to culinary creativity. These aren't just tacos, they're fusion delights that play with your palate, offering an unexpected yet delightful mix of tastes. The joy of exploring these unique tacos has been nothing short of a flavor fiesta. So, that's the world of unique tacos, where every bite is a journey and every flavor tells a story.